para maintindihan mo. So, if ganito ang salita ko, naintindihan mo, no, na sana mag-enjoy ka dito sa ating mga Transformer toys collection. Mga collection ko yan na everyday, gumagawa ko mga random live streaming about sila sa mga karakter na yan. Kumbaga magbalik tanaw, kumbaga to remind us na meron pang talagang collector na talagang nag-keep ng mga Transformer toys. Na yan ay ang mga Transformer toy line na Transformer Prime. Kasi ang mga Transformer toys, marami pong kategorya. May mga War for Cybertron, may Earthspark, yung bago lang ngayon, Earthspark. Tapos yung bagong pinalabas naman sa sine, yung One. Tapos meron din tayong movie adaptation, Movieverse, they call it Movieverse. And we have also the Generation Transformer, Generation 1, Generation 2, and the classic Transformer 2000, 1984. Yung 1984. These are cool. I don't have any sound wave transformer. You don't have any sound wave transformer. A lot of version of sound wave. There's a robot in disguise, RID sound wave. There also a generation sound wave. There's also a War for Cybertron sound wave. There's a lot of sound wave version. But me, sa akin, I collect may sound wave figure. Dalawa sound wave figure ko. Isang Transformer Prime, other Transformer Prime, and also Generation 1, G1, the one that what you call it, masterpiece. So I hope you enjoy it. Just enjoy. Mag-type lang kayo mga question. If you have a question, just type question and I will discuss it. So, didiscuss ko po kung ano mo yung mga katanungan nyo dyan. Basta mag-leave lang kayo ng message dyan. Then pagkabalik ko, babasahin ko lahat. Then I never watched Generation 1 but people say it's cool and good. I think I will watch it. Yeah. You can watch it kasi if you watch it, you understand the continuity of the Transformer from Generation 1 up to our generation now. You will understand